Hello, this is my video presentation for the side project for CSE 442. This project is a continuation from one that I did for CSE 321 where I used a microcontroller to individually control LED strips. The microcontroller is sitting at the bottom of the computer. It is hooked up to a USB port that allows for serial data to be sent to the Arduino. Shown here is the connection from the GPIO pins to the power supply. There's a capacitor there to stop any voltage spikes in case they happen. Shown here is the power supply. I use a 50-watt power supply, which is a little more than is actually needed. I did it just so I could expand more LEDs in the future, but a 20-watt supply would suffice. On the left here is the original code from CSE 321. A problem with it was if you wanted to reset the lights after starting a light sequence, you'd actually have to exit out of the program, restart it, and then select reset up here, which is a bit inefficient. Another issue was additional presets that could be downloaded. They would have to be recoded into the GUI, which isn't easy for a normal user to do. On the right here is the new version that I've been working on. You can click import here, which will load a list of presets. The nice thing about this is from downloading presets from the repo, all you have to do is just flash them to the Arduino, and then it'll come with a startup file like this. And then you're going to be able to click a button for each corresponding one. There's no need to go and recompile, go through the Python code and add things. There's also a stop button, which has been very useful. When selecting, you can now add a duration. By default, it's 10 minutes, but you can enter anything, and it's represented in the minutes. And finally, there is now a brightness slider. It's a little strange when you start getting below 50% because a lot of these light sequences are running on for loops, and the way that I mess with the brightness is I just reduce the number of light intervals per se. So what happens is if there's any sequence, it will be darker, but it'll just iterate through the loops a little quicker, so the lights will seem to kind of flash faster. This is a video demonstration of the system in action. The first preset is interactive. It was created for CSE 321. What it does is takes the position of your mouse and is then sent to the Arduino, where it's able to individually change the color of the LED strips to make a gradient wheel. So if I start it, you'll start with red over on this side, or pink. And as you come down, it'll go to yellow, green, to blue, to purple, and then back to red. And you can do it as fast as you want, and the system will keep track of it. Besides that, there are plenty of other presets. The upside to the configuration file at the start is that more presets can be downloaded that just need to be flashed to the Arduino, and then the system will, or the program will know how to run it. There's no need to recompile or rewrite code within the GUI.